So I'm outside. There's nothing to do and all, and then I found this. It's an awesome butterfly, as we can all tell. Well, wait, where'd you go? There you are. Yep, that's the butterfly. This is this whole plant right here. Here, let me get up. This is the butterfly plant. It attracts things like this over here, and things called butter moths. They're like a mix of moths and butterflies. If I ever find one, I'll show you one. But I found this, and now I'm gonna take pictures of it before I go. Well, just want to let you guys know that's all you see today. Whoa, hi. There you are. There you are. Goodbye.